Nestled in the woods, surrounded by gardens at St. Edward State Park, located in Kenmore, Washington, USA, just outside of Seattle, is Bastyr University. Bastyr is the largest accredited naturopathic medicine college in North America. Here, they offer degrees in naturopathic medicine, nutrition, psychology, herbal sciences, and certificates in holistic landscape design.
Founded in 1978, Bastyr University is the ideal place to learn about healing modalities for body, mind, and spirit. Let's go meet our tea expert. Let's go meet Dr. Daisy.
My name is Dr. Jen Daisy. I'm the chair of botanical medicine at Bastyr University, and I'm also a registered herbalist. I teach naturopathic doctors, naturopathic medical students, and undergraduate students how to use plants as medicine to treat a wide variety of ailments. Holly, how are you?
So good. Thank you so much for agreeing to meet us and teach us about tea today.
Absolutely. Should we go to the garden?
Let's do it.
Let's head over there. Okay, so here's chamomile, and the way that we harvest chamomile is to just rake it with our fingers. So pops right off like this. So in here we have some passion flower and rose and lemon balm, some stevia and some lavender, and this cute little blue tiny flower here is skullcap. You should try some of this. Good.
Now that we've gathered all the ingredients we need for our tea recipe, let's go back to Natural Design Studios and get our tea costumes ready for the tea party. See you there!